Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Traditional kitchen decor executes timelines, elegance, and charm, characterized by intricate details and classic elements. One of the hallmarks of a traditional kitchen is the cabinetry of raised panel cabinets in rich wood tones like cherry, mahogany, or walnut to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. White or cream colored cabinets with antique finishes can also evoke a classic look, adding brightness and sophistication. Incorporate glass front doors to display the fine china or decorative glassware, enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal for an extra touch of elegance. Consider crown molding and decorative corbels. Complement the cabinetry with classic hardware such as brass or oil-rubbed bronze handles and knobs. A firm housing, often paired with the bridge facade, can serve as a stunning focal point. Marble or granite countertops add a luxurious feel, while a Soviet tile or mosaic black splash brings in a sense of tradition and detail. Lighting is crucial out for wrought iron chandeliers or pendant lights, and with a vintage flair to illuminate the space beautifully. Additionally, incorporating a traditional rug can add warmth and texture to the kitchen decor. These cabinet design ideas and decor elements blend seamlessly to create a beautiful traditional kitchen art that feels both timeless and welcoming. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.